Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I'll let to show you a new editing style or tips for your photo with PicsArt. So you just need to open the PicsArt application on your phone, wait until the application is perfectly open, and the next thing you need to do is just go tap into this plus button on here, and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to edit. And wait until your project is loaded. Now you already got the picture, and the editing tips that I will let to show you is it could be in the tools here, and then you just need to tap clone, and now you just need to start click the area that you want to start the brush, let's say here, and then you just need to go click into area you want to add this object again into other size or other positions. Then you just need to start to scratching it, and those objects will be smoothly copied into the area that you have been picked. And then you just need to like scratching all until it's just perfect. And right after you're done, you just need to go click or let the brush down. And here we go, you already got this object. So that's for this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy. If you still have some questions, just drop in the comment sections below, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.